Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This would be the first video of this sort on my channel. In today's video, I would be sharing all my monthly favorites for the month of June with you guys. Now, I do tend to try a lot of makeup and skincare products throughout the month, but there always are certain products that I keep on repeating and repeating because I love them so much that I usually grab them before grabbing anything else in my collection. So yes, in today's video, I would be sharing a few products with you guys that I used non-stop during the month of June. So if you are interested in knowing what all products I use the most in the month of June and would like to hear my mini reviews about those products, then keep on watching. The first product that I would like to mention in this video is this Dot & Key 72 Hours Hydrating Gel. Now, this is one of the products that I bought a few months back during one of the Nykaa's sale, and I bought this with a couple of other products from the brand, and I basically was out of my moisturizer, which used to be the Clinique's 72-hour Moisture Surge. That particular product is certainly amazing, but the price point of that one is a little on the higher side, so I didn't want to invest a lot of money in just a moisturizer, and I wanted to try a few alternates to that, and that is when this particular one caught my eye. I already have said a few times in my videos that I love the packaging of Dot & Key products, and I can buy them just on the basis of packaging, but the products are really amazing, which is certainly the point that I should consider while buying it. So yes, I bought this particular hydrating gel. Now you can already see how beautiful it looks, and this is one of my June favorites, mainly because of the way it performs. You just require a tiny bit of product for your entire face, and this is the reason that I am just out of 1/4 of the product during like the past 3 weeks, which I have used this non-stop on daily basis. Now comparing this with the Clinique Moisture Surge, it is a gel formula. It is very easy to spread. All you need is a little product and it spreads all over your face. It is very easy to get absorbed, but consistency wise, this particular product is a little on the thicker side as compared to the Clinique's Moisture Surge. But again, the price point of that one and this one has a lot of difference, and I don't think I would ever go back to the Clinique's moisturizer because I have found one that is cheaper than the Clinique one and is working as good for me as the Clinique one. The second product that I would like to include in this video is none other than my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. If you are following me since the day I started my channel, then you must have seen this foundation a lot of times on my videos. This is a foundation that I use for my videos every time I sit for filming. I do have some other foundations also that I love, but most of them are on the pricier side and I do not use them on daily basis because of course they are pricey, but this particular one is really affordable and it does give sort of a medium coverage, which is what I require on my daily basis. I am almost out of this foundation, and that is one of the biggest clues that I love this foundation so much. By the way, the shade that I wear in this Maybelline Fit Me foundation is shade number 128 Warm Nude, and it matches me perfectly. This is the foundation that I have on my face right now, and I do think that it does match me pretty well. The next product that I have is this Kiko Milano's mascara. Now this mascara is just not only looks blue from the outer packaging, but it is actually a blue mascara, and that is what I like about this particular mascara. I a few months back wanted to try some colored mascaras and I didn't find a lot of options in the Indian market. I just found a few along with this Kiko Milano's blue mascara. I not only bought this blue mascara from the brand, I actually also bought a purple one, and I have done a full review trying and swatching both of these colors on my channel. If you are interested in seeing that video, I would be linking that video in the description box down below as well as somewhere on the I button. Unfortunately, the purple one did not work for me, but I love the way this blue one looks on me. Blue is a very common shade of mascara apart from black. If there is a brand that makes colored mascara, then it definitely makes a blue blue mascara, but this is the only blue mascara that I've currently tried so far, and I am certainly in love with this particular one. Now because I love this so much, I know that the color blue looks good on me. I might give some other blue mascaras a try. Do let me know in the comment section down below which blue mascaras or maybe some other fun color mascaras would you suggest me trying, or is there any other brand that makes fun colored or maybe pastel colored mascaras? Do let me know in the comment section down below, as I would love to try it. Now for my next product, I have this PAC Cosmetics eyelash glue. Now honestly, again, this is the only eyelash glue that I've tried so far, apart from the eyelash glues that are given with the eyelashes in some of the cheap eyelashes. I am not very good in applying false eyelashes, and I am just getting into using false eyelashes. I do now try to apply false lashes on a daily basis in my videos so that I can get used to applying false lashes, and this is the particular eyelash glue that I use to apply my lashes. I have had this eyelash glue for around 5 months, I guess, and I am almost done with this particular one. There is just a little bit of glue left in this, so yes, I would certainly repurchase this particular one. But apart from this, I would love to try some other eyelash glues as well. But for now, this is something that I have been using non-stop every time that I apply false lashes. Now the next product that I have in this video is one of the newest launches by the brand Kay Beauty. I love the brand. I love almost every product that they come out with. Kay Beauty recently came out with these glitter pastel nail polishes, and I bought all 6 of the shades that are available in the collection. I have done a full review and swatch video of this particular range on my channel. If you haven't seen that video, I would be linking that video in the description box as well as on the I button. So if you're interested in seeing how all these 6 shades of this particular nail polish looks like, then you can check out my video. It has been just, I guess, 2 weeks since I've had this nail polish, and I'm using it non-stop. One application of this nail polish lasts for around 4 to 5 days, and I have already used and removed and used it again over 3 times in the past 2 weeks. I love all the 6 shades that are there in the collection, but my personal favorite is the one that I am currently holding in my hand. The shade that I'm holding right now in my hand that I have been using more than the others is the shade Pink Stardust, and it is shade number 08. I do like all the 6 shades from the collection, but this is a very subtle sort of a pink, and it looks beautiful for everyday use. So yes, this is the next product that I have been loving and using non-stop in the month of June. The next product that I have is again a makeup product, and it is none other than the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette. I have done a full video on this particular eyeshadow palette, and I have created 5 looks using this eyeshadow palette. This is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. It is certainly a very pricey one, but it is very versatile. A lot of different looks can be created using this eyeshadow palette. I know that I can create way more than 5 looks using this eyeshadow palette. If you haven't seen that video, and if you are interested in seeing that how I created 5 different eyeshadow looks using all these colors, then you can check out the link to that video in the description box down below. I have loved each and every color that I've dipped my brush so far, and I love the way they stay on the lids, they blend on my lids. The color selection of the palette is beautiful, and everything about this palette is just beautiful. It is mesmerizing. It is a mermaid pastely heaven in the form of an eyeshadow palette. I love this eyeshadow palette, and I do not regret paying 300 rupees for this eyeshadow palette. Now the next product that I have actually recently bought, and I have just used it a couple of times, but I already love the way it is making my hair feel, is this particular microfiber hair wrap by the brand Nykaa. Now this is just the outer packaging of this hair wrap, and the shade that I have with me is lavender. This is how the actual hair wrap looks like. It is simple like a microfiber towel, I would say, and this is how it looks like. All you have to do is wrap your hair in this to make them dry after you are done washing your hair, and it is supposed to help dry your hair a little quicker while making them less frizzy. I do have an issue of hair fall and frizziness since a very long time, I would say now, and I've actually just used it twice and I'm already loving the effect it is giving to my hair. I have observed a little lesser hair fall as compared to what I usually have, and my hair are almost completely frizz free. I would be using this particular one a few more times before talking in detail about this product, and I'm actually planning to do a full review on this particular microfiber hair wrap, and that is the reason I am saving the outer box, because the outer box does have the detail about how you can use this product. I have tried this a couple of times in the month of June, and so far I am loving it, and I cannot wait to try it again and share my experience with you guys. Do let me know in the comment section down below if there are some other brands which make such microfiber hair wraps, and which are the ones that you have tried and have worked for you. So yes, these were all the products that I loved using in the month of June. So that's it for today's video. If you are interested in knowing more about any particular product from this video, then do let me know in the comment section down below, and I would try to share my experience with you guys in a form of a separate video for that particular product. If you like today's video, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.